feels like -6. Morning, YouTube. Fabio 76 coming at you. Do a cold start. 2017 Dodge Ram 5.7 Hemi. That's cold. It is cold. Yeah, you can hear that. In the single digits. I think in some spots got in the negatives, but it's 10 right now, but it feels like -6. Yeah, we let her warm up for a good 10-15 before you head out, do some errands and stuff, but now it says 10, but it doesn't feel like 10. I'm gonna turn that heat up. Yep. So, yep, cold start video here in upstate New York. Hope everyone's doing well. All right, I'm gonna go back inside, warm up my coffee, come back out, head out. Hope everyone's having a good day. Chef Fabio 76 on the cold start on the 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7. Oh yeah. I wish I was in Florida right now.